And the reason that is because America has always had a soldier. Men and women who have laid down their lives for our liberty and our freedom. And Ernie shared this poem with me, and I want to share it with you tonight. It is the soldier, not the minister, who has given us the freedom of religion. It is the soldier, not the reporter, who has given us the freedom of the press. It is the soldier, not the poet, who has given us the freedom of speech. It is the soldier, not the campus organizer, who has given us the freedom to protest. It is the soldier, not the lawyer, who has given us the right to a fair trial. It is the soldier, not the politician, who has given us the right to vote. And it is the soldier who salutes the flag, who serves beneath the flag, and whose coffin is draped by the flag, who allows the protester to burn the flag. All that we have and all that we hold dear, because America has always had a soldier. If you're a veteran here tonight, would you please stand so we can recognize you?
Marching home again, hurrah, hurrah. We'll give them a hearty welcome then, hurrah, hurrah. The men will cheer, the boys will shout, the ladies they will all turn out, and we'll all be happy when Johnny comes marching home. The old church bell will ring with joy, hurrah, hurrah. To welcome home our darling boy, hurrah, hurrah. The village lads and lassies say with roses they will stroll away, and we'll all be happy when Johnny comes marching home. Get ready for the Jubilee, hurrah, hurrah. We'll give the hero 3 times 3, hurrah, hurrah. The laurel wreath is ready now to place upon his loyal bride. We'll all be happy when Johnny comes marching home. Their love and friendship on that day, hurrah, hurrah. Their choicest treasures then display,